How to fix GCash face scan error. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix GCash face scan error. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for GCash. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now you want to check if your problem is fixed. If it is not, open up your settings. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. From this list of applications, you want to find GCash. Now tap on the storage option. Here tap on clear cache. Once that is done, head back. Next thing you want to do is tap on permissions. Here you want to tap on camera and tap on the allow option. If it is turned off, face scan won't work at all. Now open up GCash and check if your problem is fixed. Some other things you want to do is clean your camera lens. Sometimes the camera cannot recognize your face due to a smudged or blurry lens. You also want to make sure you're in a well-lit environment. You also want to align your face properly. Hold the phone at eye level and slowly move your face closer until the app detects it. Don't tilt your head or move too fast. If even after doing all of this your problem is not fixed, you want to contact the GCash customer support. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.